clean the mess.
He's the man right here. He's the one that let us stay clean.
But I clean the mess. I don't make the mess. I picked up all of the leaves that came off the palm trees.
No, but this is not supposed to be in one spot, not everywhere.
Well, this is my friend's stuff. I could move this, but the temple's okay. No. I'm just playing healing music.
You have to move to one spot.
That's the spot, though. I just set it up.
You need to put it over there or whatever.
But I just set up my temple. This stuff?
Yeah.
I gotta move this, but not my temple, right?
Yeah, even your stuff, you need to move. You put the canopy down.
No. I just set the temple up. Yeah, I'll open it. You want me to open it?
You need to put it down. Close it.
Why I gotta close it?
Well, that's policy.
What?
We're here.
I don't have to close my... They said I could have the temple up. Go get the doobadoos. Come on, you guys. Why are you messing with me today?
We're not messing with you. You know, every Friday we come and clean.
Alright, I'm gonna tickle you guys. I'm getting a tickle torture. Hey! Help me tickle torture them. Tickle. Can we be friends? Let's garden. Let's garden. Okay, if you're not my friend, then you gotta go. Because, look, we need to raise willingness and capacities, not funds and votes. Domination systems hurt us. So when you just come and move us, that's not relational. It just pisses us off, and we don't like it. Here, I gotta touch it. Hey, Super Squad! What's up? I just set up. But you guys don't make me move. Why I gotta move? Look, my temple's playing music. It's the Healing Arts Dojo of Venice Healer. And you guys never make me move. I'll show you, Goddess. I'm gonna give someone this, but I don't have that much stuff. You wanna come and see my stuff, Goddess? I'm gonna show you everything I got. So this is just blankets. This is all blankets. So I can sleep, see pillows. It's the same thing, just pillows and blankets, because people get cold out here. So look. Just pillows and blankets. And then I just have one suitcase for my personal items, and it's not that much. This is my personal stuff. So this is my clothes I'm gonna wear today. And I keep my clothes at my friend Lily's house. And then this is my personal items. One suitcase. And it's the stuff I play outside. My generator, my yoga ribbon blanket, my makeup. And then this is a robe. So that if I want to go outside at night, I'm warm. But I just have one suitcase.
Yeah. So if it was
and then everything else is just blankets.
Yeah. So if it was just one suitcase, like if you just had this bag with this up, that would be fine. But you have multiple bags, that cart, that's not going to fit in a 60-gallon drum. A 60-gallon drum is that size.
I live at the beach. Do you have a 60 gallons worth of stuff?
I don't live on the beach.
Okay, well we're going to do this. I'm Daisy, the Venice Healer, and I chose this life. I chose it so that I could be the voice for the vulnerable. So let's have a showdown.
What do you mean have a showdown?
You guys are trying to tell me I got too much stuff because I got blankets. It's cold outside.
Yeah,
And I don't only have blankets for me. Billy the kid and other people. I got runaways coming. I haven't seen Billy in a few days, but I got other people who I have blankets for. I just showed you. I got one suitcase of stuff.
Because we've talked to them and they have
Goddess,
blankets.
look, you guys are making it so that there's a toll on sleeping, and people got to pay a toll on stuff. And just because I don't pay the sleeping toll and the stuff toll rent doesn't mean that I don't get to have sleep and that I don't get to have stuff. I got woken up Wednesday at midnight, and then you guys came again, woke me up at 4 a.m. Right, Home Slice? Didn't they? Yeah.
Well, after midnight,
and let me tell you, when you guys disrupt someone's sleep, you mess with them. So right now you're messing with it. I just showed you my stuff. I got blankets and one suitcase in my Easy Up. I could pack everything up and go in no time. I'm not like a hoarder. And if you look around my area, there's no trash. There's just flowers.
I never said you were.
What do you guys need me to do?
If you can consolidate it into a 60-gallon bag and show us that it fits.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay, then we can give you 15 minutes to remove all your stuff. Not all your stuff, but just the
What
bulky items.
you want me to remove these? What do I have to remove? This and that. What else?
We're going to treat you the same way as we did the other people. So
Okay,
we're
so
gonna
tell
give
me.
you 15 minutes. After that, anything that you leave, we're just going to toss it.
You're not telling me what I have to get rid of.
No, so we're not, but we're telling you anything that you want to keep that can fit in the 60.
Hey, you guys!
It's
time for us to unite and organize. This is too much.
Right, so 15
This is too much. Domination, too much.
15 minutes starts now.
I'm not okay with this. I'm not okay with domination systems treating us like this. I have one suitcase of stuff, and then I have a shelter with blankets as walls. Like, you want us to sleep out in the elements and not have any stuff, and that's not okay.
I'm saying, you know, Daisy, what's going to happen with this, okay? I'm trying to give you enough time so you can keep your stuff. But if you can show it that it fits in a 60-gallon bag, we can walk away.
All right, give me a 60-gallon bag. I don't consent, you guys. This is not okay.
Oh, no, I got 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes.
This is not okay. Slice.
Daisy.
I gotta bury them so they can't get them.
Wait, did you get those wings?
Okay, so homeless people are not allowed to have stuff. Everything that we have is supposed to fit in one trash bag. So that means you guys charge not only a toll for us to be able to sleep, but for us to have stuff.
No, 60 gallons is
That's not okay. So I'm gonna follow you guys today. All right? Hey, will you help me move this?
Yeah.
What you're doing. So I'm gonna stop you.
What do you need me to do?
They're making me move it. Why are you guys messing with the healer? You think it's funny? You think my pain is funny? Look at my face. You think this is funny?
15 minutes. They're starting to
It's
run
not
out.
okay. Hey, I get it. You don't want to give me empathy? That's fine. That's fine. You don't want to give me empathy?
The more time you waste talking to me, the more stuff that we're going to take.
Kara, will you just start rolling it away? Put it like, we gotta move it out of here though. So just take it like to the grass and then I'll get it over there after. Alright. I'm gonna be following you guys. It's on.
Thanks, Doug, for waking me up.
Came back again. Yeah, you guys came back again.
Huh?
This is report. Thank you for watching it for me.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm wearing my brand new wetsuit. This guy's gonna get in. Did you get those wings?
Oh, did you bring those for me?
Yeah.
Here, can you take, here, this one.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, take the dolly. And then back to the room.
Morning, how's it going? Yeah, oh thanks.
Yeah, so this was right next to the empty spots before you came to the spots that were right. So I'm done. You guys should have came to the spots that this was clear space. There's on here.
Well, the rule is a storage of both the items.
Oh, I'm staying here. I'm going surfing. I fucking.
You're literally looking to stay here?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. What is your stuff?
My stuff's just this. And that
This
part.
one here?
Yeah. Yeah. I gotta go through some stuff. I've had a busy couple of days. But yeah. I want to sleep. I want to sleep at what is it? At some point, it's gonna harass me.
This stuff just can't be.
Well, our house stuff.
I'll move my stuff after I'm done following you. Right now I'm too triggered to move my stuff.
No, I need you to move this up and then you can follow up.
Yeah, move your stuff or we're gonna take it.
Hurrah! By the power and glory of my love, I drop love atomic bomb. Watch out for care shrapnel. Watch out for empathy wins, because they're strong. Superhero, this isn't you. All of it.
Start moving it now. It's too much stuff. Yeah.
It's the only time I can't be a superhero. Fabian, because they'll throw out my stuff if I don't move it. So I have to.
And maybe a blanket or something.
Okay, I'll give some blankets away. Well, these blankets are for everyone anyway. But you know, Billy sleeps like.
Stay right here. I was just gonna sleep.
I mean, I provide a space for people here.
I don't want to be in the middle of any crossfire or anything, but.
Let me forget on that. Way faster. Home flight. Let's just do what they say, and let's do it quickly.
I'm not doing anything. I fucking just
Yo, if we don't do what they say, and if we don't do it quickly, they're gonna
what?
throw away our stuff, yo. So So just do what they
I'm
say.
so patient, so nice.
Hey, tell them leave us alone.
Giving you plenty of time. We even
Hey,
want you to go talk to somebody else.
they said to leave us alone. Could you talk to LAPD about it? They said to leave us alone. You guys,
We're not LAPD.
come here.
We're
But
park
they
rangers.
said.
This is our park.
All right, well look, come on, we gotta go. They said.
Okay, so what? Go back over there?
No, dude, we gotta go over there. You
Go on
know
to the
that.
beach. That's totally fine. You can have a blanket. You can have that thing. You can't have all of
Look,
this.
they're gonna
So
mess
you
with
guys
you.
knew we were coming right here. Why didn't you say anything to us prior?
Because you're moving your way towards the speedway. That's totally fine. That's where we want you to go. You're gonna keep all
We
this
can't
stuff.
keep talking to them. We're gonna have less time to eat.
This is too much stuff. Do you see anyone else on the beach with this much thing? No.
No. I don't.
Because they're not allowed
throwing
to.
it away.
We're gonna throw it away if you guys don't. We're giving you the opportunity to take it. We're giving you time.
Superheroes, sometimes they only give 5 minutes. We're lucky that right now they haven't put a time limit. Let's start moving. And if they see us moving, looking cool, and people will come and help. Alright? Come on, I'm here for you. I'll give you empathy. Leave them alone. Trust me. We'll get them later. We'll Care Bear stare them. We'll use love. Our love is more powerful than domination. If you look closely, you'll see a beautiful sparkle in their eyes. Sunglasses. They are not happy, and we are not happy, and we're gonna help everyone in a sec. But right now, we gotta move our stuff. So start moving. Otherwise, we're gonna be able to get back at them. Right now is not the time. We're gonna get back with love. It's not like we're gonna get them. We're gonna get them with love, like a hug.
We're giving you so much time.
He's moving. Oh my God! My board! Ah! My board! Yeah! It's more than a board. Yes! Oh, this is good. Yeah! That's awesome, dude. My board is so amazing. All right, home slice, let's go. I'll let you ride this other. Oh, you don't want to go.
Go on, pick it up. Pick it up. Don't mess up.
Put it on the cart. Put the heavy stuff on there if you want. Don't mind moving at all, you guys. In front of that yellow coffee shop, I moved it this morning in like 2 minutes. They wouldn't move for you guys, so I went ahead and took care of it. I could be helping you, you know? That's what I want, to be your friend. Be a life enriching presence, because I'm not part of the problem. None of us are, none of me or any of my friends. And collaborate to meet needs with joy and love. That gives us pleasure. In a more wonderful world. See them? Hey, Fabian, they go north, so we go south. I'm gonna go south. I'm gonna set up at the Venice Beach. And then we could go west. Because domination systems suck and they make you suffer and you want to be my friend. I can feel it. And instead you stress us out. But my love is so powerful. It's more powerful than any violence or force. And it's going to liberate us.
Right here, so, all right.
Go love yourselves. Go love